Let's go for another one. Imagine, and I'll go back to my emojis, Control E. I will hold shift and I will pick this woman, pick this dress. I'll put this heart in it. I'll put the head too. This. And what else? Flower. Okay. I'll say here, beautiful woman wearing a dress. Wearing a dress and a head. And I'll say here, flowers. Colorful flowers. Colorful flowers. The thing is, you can say, oh, you have images. Why are you still using words? Actually, the emojis will give very beautiful colors to your image, especially when you put these in, like the hearts and stuff. Um, uh, yeah, the colors will be very brightened. Let's go for this one. I started. Okay, she's coming in. Okay, she's beautiful. You see, I put a brown woman here, but I should have put beautiful brown woman wearing a hat. So you see how beautiful it is because we add the emojis like these broad emojis. Okay, let's do it one more time. To do it one more time, I will go to my Imagine and I'll do Control Z. Okay, and I'll put here beautiful brown skin woman wearing a dress and a hat with colorful flowers. Let's run it again. Okay, here she is. They are coming in. Ooh, ooh. I love these, especially for spring and winter. You can also put here smiling, beautiful brown skin woman wearing a dress and a hat. These are so beautiful. Look at that. You see the emojis we use? We use the lady, we use the hat, we use the flower and the heart. Like the color of the heart, it will give it more popping colors. And we use the this to the bow. So the bow and this and even the dress, everything here will give you vibrant colors, very vibrant colors. You see even her skin. So you need to use emojis in here in Midjourney.